If you live in Abuja and you use a Peugeot, this video is for you. Now, my name is Raymond K. Monid and I have two Peugeot 407. Now, this is one. This is the one I was using before, and the first one. Then I bought the other one, this one. So, this is the second one. And there are a few things that I want to explain about these cars. If you want to sell a Peugeot car or you want to buy a Peugeot car, please do contact me. If you are in Abuja or maybe if you are in Kaduna, Jos, all these nearby cities or states, no problem. It's easier for me to operate if I have people around Abuja. So if you are in Abuja and you have a Peugeot, it doesn't have to be 407, it doesn't have to be 206 or 508, 607, it doesn't matter, or 301. As long as it's a Peugeot, you can contact me and I'll help you out if it's to sell or if it is to buy. But by the way, I have these two. Let me show you again there first. So this one, this is one, and this one, this is the second one. So let me do it again. This one, this is one. Okay, let me see how I can show the two at the same time. Okay, this works. So this is one and this is the other one. So I have these two for sale at the moment. Now there's other things that I want to explain to you. I want you to understand. Okay, let me do small shakara at this point. Let me balance. Yeah, so the other things I want you to understand. I have three mechanics, okay? And they are all for different purposes. What that means is that there are some that are specialized in some areas, some are good in some other areas. So if you have a Peugeot and probably like maybe you're having issues with your mechanic or you want to, whatever, you have a mechanical issue, you can contact me, all right? I can help you that. I can help you out with that. Now, another thing I also want to add, I'm a diagnostic technician. What that means is that I can diagnose your car. I'll plug a diagnostic machine on your system and we can check the car to know what is the issue. You know, most people always have, for that one, for the diagnostic stuff, it's not only for Peugeot. I need to emphasize that. To diagnose your car, to know what the issue is. You know, some of us will have this engine issues, like okay, your car is showing engine, check engine, or it's showing something, there's a light on your dashboard and you don't know what it is, right? So I can help with that. I can help you diagnose your car and know exactly what the matter is. That's for any car. Again, it's easier for me to do all my works in Abuja. That's where I base, that's where I live. So if you're in Abuja, it will be easy for me to work with you. Now there's something else I want to emphasize. These cars, these Peugeot cars, I buy them and I resell them. That's what I do. Okay, I needed to tell you this one. Yeah, let's see, this particular one. Yes, this one. I've been using this one for like 2 years. I bought this one in 2022. Yes, early 2022. And as you can see, I've sprayed it. Right? You see the spray? Can you see? I've sprayed it. Look at this one also. I bought this one and I sprayed this one. Let me go backwards so that you can see the way the spray looks like. You see it? So now I work with there's a company that is into spraying vehicles, okay? So we'll do factory spraying, oven spray. Like if you want to spray your car the way they spray cars before they bring them. So that's what we do. So if you want to spray your car, now for that one, it doesn't have to be a Peugeot car. So if you want to spray your car, you can contact me and I can help you in spraying your car. Factory spray, oven spray. It's not roadside spray. So I have to explain it now, because when you now hear the amount, you're not like, what's happened? No, it's not roadside spray. Let me show you this spray again so that you probably see it very well. Can you see? Are you seeing the way the thing is shining? Look at this one. Can you see it? And it's smooth. All the edges are sharp. Look at this one again. Let me give you the services again. So number one, no, let me go closer so that you can hear me clearly. Number one is that I sell Peugeot cars. I only deal on Peugeot cars when it comes to sell or buy. Then I said I have these two Peugeots for sale at the moment. These two. I've shown them many times, so no need to show them again. Okay. Then I went further to say that if you want to diagnose your car, I can help you diagnose your car. Yes, I said if you want to spray your car, you should let me know. I can help you spray your car. Then one last thing, I said repairs. If you want to buy any part of your car, as long as it's a Peugeot, don't come and ask me something that I don't know. Somebody sent me a Benz today, say I have a Benz for sale. Okay, I don't know anything about Benz. Okay, so please, that's how we roll. Thank you so much again. My name is Raymond K. Monid, so you can contact me at any time. Have a great day.